Welcome to Chibi Fire Alarm Test 8. This is a really rare device that I just got today alongside with the P1215W, but it's not all I have. I also got a system sensor i3 as well, but yeah. But this is an FCI first generation rebranded system sensor SpectrAlert Classic. Speaker strobe, these things are very rare. I believe I'm the second collector to own one of these, to have these in my possession. Pull station hasn't changed, but let's pull it. Ugh, come on, keep it closed. There we go. Anyways, thank you for watching.